Hello, Tarunika. Hello, Lakshita. Very good evening to one and all. So, let us discuss today the most probable questions from cell cycle and cell division. As you all know, cell cycle and cell division, you may get the application oriented question, number of division needed, or skill question where exactly the splitting happens, where exactly you can able to see the structure of chromosome. Yes, Jeevan, Malay Vanakkam, very good evening to you. Happy to see your name. Okay, so this is what the questions we may get for this particular chapter. So let us start the questioning session, children. So feel free to answer those who are observing also. If you answer, even if you're participating, that is what more important. Okay, children, shall we start the class now? Yes, the very first question we are going to discuss the sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesizes the other constituents of the cells and eventually divides into two daughter cells is called dash. So what would be the answer? So yes, the answer is cell cycle. That is very correct answer, children. It is the definition what is given for cell cycle in NCRT. That only I have taken as a question. Very good. Congrats. Yes, those who have answered. Next question. Let us see. Yes. In 24-hour average duration of the cell cycle of a human cell division proper lasts for about. Yes, excellent answer, Lakshita and Kamal. Yes, Tarunika and Jeevan. Hi, Kamal. Yes, very good evening. So, the next question. Yes, Lakshita has answered, and yes, Kalpana, very good evening. And Jeevan answered B, and Tarunika also answered B. Yes, in 24-hour average duration of cell cycle, the cell division, that is M phase, lasts for only about an hour. So 23 hours it takes for the interphase cycle. As you all know, 95% of the duration is for interphase. Excellent answer by Kalpana, Jeevan and Tarunika. Yes, Kamal, very good evening. And the answer is also correct. Very correct. Excellent answer. Next question. In a diploid cell, at which stage of the cell cycle the amount of DNA is doubled? The DNA getting doubled during which phase? Is the question. Yes, Lakshita has answered. Yes, Jeevan answered and Tarunika answered. Arvind Shah also answered. Yes, very good evening. Yes, very correct answer. Excellent answer, Arvind Shah and Kamal. Yes, it is yes face. Very correct answer. Yes, 4. Yes face only DNA becomes double. Okay. Yes, Vaishnavi, very good evening. Very good evening. Happy to see your name. Please participate. The next question. Cells that do not divide further exit G1 phase to enter an inactive stage called dash. Yes, for the previous question, it was 4. Very correct answer. Excellent, Vaishnavi. Now you remember the cell cycle diagram, children, what is given in the NCRT. And you can see it will be away from the cell cycle. It is indicated as arrow. I hope you remember. And Lakshita and Tarunika, Jeevan, Kalpana all answered. Yes, Kamal answered. And B positive Arvind Shah. Excellent Arvind Shah and B positive Vaishnavi. Yes, very good. It is to G naught stage. It is also called quiescent stage, children. Very correct. Excellent children. All of you 100% correct answer it is. Yes, Arvind Shah. It is two. Very correct answer. Now next question we are proceeding, which is during G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active or replication of DNA is carried out or transition and transcription occurs both 1 and 3. So what would be your answer, children? Yes, Vaishnavi answered, Jeevan answered, Kalpana answered. Yes, it is replication of DNA. Just now we discussed it happens during S phase. So this is not the answer. Of course, cell is metabolically active. Translation, protein synthesis and transcription, RNA synthesis both happens in G1 phase. So 4 is the very correct answer, children. Excellent answer again, Vaishnavi, Jeevan. Kalpana, Lakshita, Tarunika and Arvind Shah. Excellent answer by you. Yes, let us proceed to the next question. G2 phase occurs between dash and dash. So again you have to remember the diagram or picture of the cell cycle and you have to answer me where exactly G2 phase happens. It happens between. Yes, it happens between S and M is excellent answer as you know. It starts like G1 and then yes, then we'll have the G2, then we have the M phase. So it is between the S as well as M phase. Very correct answer children, excellent answer. It is C. Yes, Lakshita, Arvind Shah, Tarunika and Kalpana Vaishnavi Jeevan answered very correctly. Excellent children. Now during DNA cycle, sorry, cell cycle, RNA and proteins are synthesized during dash phase. Yes, Vivek, it is C. Very correct. Excellent answer by you all. 100% you're all correct. So protein and RNA synthesis happens during dash phase is the question. Yes, Tarunika answered and Lakshita answered. I'm waiting for others to answer. Just think protein synthesis as well as RNA happens during dash and dash phase. Yes, it is. It is both B and C as you know. Both G1 phase and G2 phase we are synthesizing the protein as well as the RNA. Both are synthesized here. Excellent answer children. Very good. Keep it up. Now next question. Little logical question, application question and skill question also. Yes, you have to think and answer. How many chromosomes will the cell have at G1 after S and after M phase respectively if it has 14 chromosome in interphase. So after cell cycle it has 14 chromosome means okay, what will be the number of chromosome at G1, S as well as M phase? Yes, excellent answer by Kalpana, Arvind Shah, Jeevan for the previous one. For this one, actually, yes, Jeevan answered and Kalpana answered. Tarunika answered and Vaishnavi answered. Lakshita answered. Excellent answered. Yes, it is 14 in all the case. And children, yes, Vivek. As you all know, it is only the chromosome number they have asked, not the DNA. So it is not going to get changed in mitosis. It is going to be the same 14, 14, 14 only in all phases of cell cycle as well as M phase. Excellent answer, children, all of you. Very good. Yes, Arvind Shah. What is genome? So next question we are going to discuss what is genome. As you all know, it is a NCERT line as such what I have asked now. What is genome? Yeah, only DNA is getting double 100%. You are very correct, Arvinsha. Excellent answer by you. And for this genome is what actually? It is an NCERT line. Can you able to recollect? Genome is nothing but, yes, and many of you have answered, yes, it is genes of haploid set of chromosome. Is the correct answer. Genome is nothing but genes of haploid set of chromosome. Let us see the next question. A plant cell has 12 chromosomes. At the end of mitosis, how many chromosomes would it have in G2 phase of its next cell cycle? Yes, Tarunika, Lakshita, Vivek, Kalpana and Jeevan, Netaji. Yes, it is correct answer for the previous one. Very correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. Now for this question. Yes, Arvind Shah, that was an excellent answer. This is again, you have to think and answer. Plant has 12 chromosome at the end of mitosis. How many chromosome would it have in G2 phase of the next cell cycle? Yes, any answer, children? Yes, it is 12. Arvind Shah, excellent answer. And Vivek, Kalpana, Vaishnavi, 100% correct answer. It is 12. It is not going to get changed because we are discussing about mitosis. Excellent answer, children. Very good approach for this question, especially. Let us see the next question. Again, you have to think only little bit. Which of the following cell are not constantly replaced? Which of the following cells are not constantly replaced? Is it blood cell or inner lining of the gut or brain cell or cells of the upper layer of epidermis? Yes, it is brain cell, Vaishnavi and Jeevan. Yes, for the previous question, it was correct. Excellent answer by you all. Mitosis is an equatorial division, so it is going to be the 12. Very good, Arvind Shah. Excellent answer by you. And yes, next question. Can you all answer? It is brain cell, of course. It was the correct answer. Brain cell and heart cell is given in your NCRT, of course, children, which is in quiescent stage. There is no division happens in heart cell they have given. Now this question, a dramatic period of the cell cycle involving major recognition of virtually all components of the cell. B. It represents the phase when the actual cell division occurs. So it is again dramatic period is the NCRT word actually, NCRT line. Yes, Lakshita answered, Vivek answered, and Arvind Shah answered, Vaishnavi answered, and Tarunika answered. Yes, Arvinsha. Yes, it is excellent answer by you all. Yes, it is M phase. Very good answer, children. 100% you are all correct. Yes, it is M phase, which is considered to be the dramatic phase as the chromosome undergoes so many changes and all, moving towards pole and all that. So dramatic, NCRT word. Very good. Now, next question we are going to discuss. Yes, M phase is excellent answer, Arvind Shah. Very good answer. You are rocking. Very good. Splitting of centromere occurs in, is it anaphase or metaphase or telophase or prophase? Arvind Shah, you are 11th standard or 12th standard? You are doing good. All answers were correct. Excellent. Splitting of centromere occurs. Yes, Jeevan. Excellent. You are rocking, Jeevan. Super. Yes, it is anaphase. Very correct. Yes, very good. Arvind Shah, it is correct. One, Vaishnavi A and Tarunika also answered very correct. Yeah, the two statements given after anaphase paragraph. First is line itself, splitting of centromere. Very correct, Vivekanandan. Excellent answer by you all children. Very good. So, first statement says that splitting of the centromere. Oh, your dropper. You're answering excellently. Very good. All the best for your preparation and join all the weeks. We will be discussing questions only. You're from Nepal. Oh, very good. Thank you. Thank you for joining us, Arvind. Yeah, we'll be discussing. You can join all week 6 to 7. I'm so happy that you joined from Nepal for discussing the question. All the best for your preparation. Yes, all the following are significances of mitosis except excellent answer Vaishnavi and Kalpana. Yes, Jeevan also inviting Arvind Shah. Yes, Vivek and Jeevan. Yes, there is no variation because, as you know, meiosis only we will get variation because of crossing over. Here there is no crossing over in mitosis, so there won't be any variation. Excellent answer, Lakshita, Arvind Shah, and Tarunika, Jeevan, Vivek. Hi, Tilak. Very good evening. So we are discussing cell cycle and division. Please join us. And here we have Arvind Shah also from Nepal preparing for NEET. So let us invite him also for our class every week. Now the question for us. Yes, Jeevan invited you. In mitosis, nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears at what stage? Is it in interphase or prophase or metaphase or telophase? Yes, Jeevan answered and Kalpana answered. Yes, Tarunika also welcomed Arvind Shah. Yes, Tilak. Lakshita answered. Vaishnavi. Yes, thank you, Tilak. Yes, Lakshita also welcomed. Yes, all my dear children welcomed you, Arvind Shah, for the class and keep supporting us also for the question. Yeah, every Sunday we'll be having 6 to 7. Please join us and we'll be discussing all important questions. Yes, prophase is the very correct answer. Excellent. Yes, Arvind Shah, excellent answer by you. Yes, it is prophase. Very correct. Okay. The next question, little logical question. You have to think and answer, children. A cell has 5 pair of chromosome. Pair. After the mitotic division, the number of chromosome in the daughter cells will be, is it 5, 10, 20 or 40? Yes, late prophase is excellent answer where the nuclear membrane actually disappears. Of course. Tarunika answered for the one. Lakshita answered. Tilak answered. And Vivek answered. Yes. Yes, Madhavi, Priya. Yes, it is B. 10. Very correct answer. Very good evening, Priya Madhavi. Happy to see your name. And Jeevan answered. Very good. It is B because 5 pair means 10. So, children usually will make mistake. After seeing 5, they'll immediately write 5. The number of chromosome in mitosis is going to be same 5 pair means 10 will be the more correct answer. You all answered very correctly. Yes, Priya and Jeevan, Vivek, Tilak, Lakshita and Tarunika. Okay, next question. Let us proceed. Little logical question again. What will be the total number of mitotic division in the formation of 256 daughter cells? Yes, Tarunika answered. Lakshita answered. Vivek answered and Vaishnavi answered. Kalpana answered. Yes, excellent. It is 8. Very correct answer, Jeevan. Yes, how it is? 2 to the power. Okay. So if you just multiply first time, we will be getting 4. Then it will become 8. Then after that, it will become 16. Of course, 32, 64, then 128, and finally 256. Of course, first time it should be 2. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 on the 8th time. So 8 is very correct answer, children. Very good. Excellent. You're all rocking. Superb answering. Next question. Male produce gametes by mitosis. Little skill question. Male produce gametes. Gametes means actually meiosis, you know. But by mitosis, one organism produce gamete. What is it? Is it honeybee? Is it grasshopper? Is it birds or Drosophila? Is the question. So you can answer me, children. Yes, 2 power n is the explanation. Very good. Jeevan answered C. Tarunika answered 1 and Vaishnavi answered A for the coming question. Yes, Priya Madhavi. Yes, it is honeybee. As the drones are haploid, they undergo mitosis only to produce gametes. Is the very correct answer. Excellent answer. Yes, Shah, you can answer. Yes, Jeevan, very correct answer. Jeevan, excellent answer. Very good. You're rocking. Now, next question. Which of the following is not a significance of mitosis? Yes, excellent answer. Kalpana, very correct answer. Yeah, for this question, what is not a significance of mitosis? Yes, come on, children. Yes, Vaishnavi, excellent answer. And Tarunika answered, Kalpana answered, Jeevan, Lakshita. Yes, Priya Madhavi, very correct answer. It results daughter cell genetically distinct from parent cell is not the property of mitosis. It is the property of meiosis, as you all know. So that was the very correct answer. Excellent answer again by Tilak, Jeevan, Lakshita, Priya and Vivek. Yes, very correct answer, children. Now next question. Yes, it is like statement question. We have to find out mitosis is seen in both diploid and haploid cells. Meiosis involves two sequential cycles of nuclear cell division, but only a single cycle of DNA replication. So, what would be your answer? Excellent, Jeevan. Yes, Tarunika and Tilak, both the statements are correct. Excellent. Yes, both the statements are correct. Is the correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. Yes, Lakshita, it is 3. Very correct answer. Now, next question. Let us proceed. The question says, simultaneous splitting of centromere of each chromosome during mitosis take place during. Splitting of centromeres happens during dash phase is the question. Yes, Arvind Shah. Yes, it is Anapa's excellent answer. Kalpana, Tilak, Vaishnavi, Lakshita, Vivek, and Priya Madhavi, Arvind Shah. Excellent answer by all of you. Yes, it is Anapa's. Very correct. And NCRT line also that is. Now, next question we are proceeding. Which of the following stage is affected by colchicine? So, it is called one of the cell division poison. They'll stop the cell division to study the morphological structure. Yes, many of you are started answering, I believe. So, which of the following stage is affected by colchicine? To study the morphology, we will be using. Yes, it is metaphase, Jeevan, Tarunika, and Kalpana. Excellent. Yes, to study the structure of chromosome, metaphase is most important. So, metaphase stage can be studied with the help of colchicine. It is called mitotic poison even. Yes, Vivek, Vaishnavi, Lakshita and Kalpana answered excellently. 100% you are all very correct. Okay. Yes. Now let us continue the next question. Mitosis occurs in dash cells. It is happening in haploid or diploid, both A and B in bacteria only. Yes, it is C. Excellent answer. You're all rocking. Tarunika, Vaishnavi, Jeevan, Tilak, Lakshita, Kalpana, Priya and Arvind Shah. Yes, Arvind Shah and Vivek. Yes, it is both A and B. It happens in both haploid cell also as well as on the diploid cell also. Mitosis is happening. Now this is little lengthy question but read carefully. We have to find out incorrect statement, children. In an animal cell, cytokinesis is achieved by the appearance of a furrow in the plasma membrane. Furrow happens in the plasma membrane. Is for yes, Arvind Shah, it was both A and B for the previous one. Now, furrow formation starts in the center of cell and grow outward to meet existing lateral wall. This line says furrow happens in the middle and then extend towards the corners. Cell plate represents middle lamella between the wall of two adjacent plant cells. During cytokinesis, organelles like mitochondria, plastids get disturbed. So what was the answer? Excellent answer, Vaishnavi, Tarunika, Jeevan and Lakshita. Yes, always furrow happens only in the plasma membrane, not in the center of the cell. This was the wrong statement. Yes, Arvind Shah, Vivek and Kalpana. Very correct. 100% you are all correct. Rocking. Very good. With that, we'll proceed to the next question. Morphology of chromosome can be best observed. So, where we can study. Even in previous question explanation, I was telling to study the morphology, they'll be using colchicine. Yes, B will be incorrect for the previous one. Now, morphology of chromosome can be best observed during dash phase. Yes, Jeevan, excellent answer. Yes, Arunika and Arvind Shah, Kalpana, Lakshita. Yes, Arvind Shah. Yes, Priya Madhavi and Vivek. Yes, it is metaphase. Excellent answer, children. During metaphase only, we will be studying the morphology. It was the very correct answer. Now, with that, we'll proceed to the next question. How far you observed your NCRT? Let us examine. Here I have shown you some pictures of NCRT. You are going to find out what was the stage. Observe it carefully and find out what was the answer. We might have turned the page 100 times. Do we observe these pictures? Is it early prophase, late prophase or transition of metaphase? Yes, Jeevan, excellent. It is A. Arvind Shah, Tarunika, Lakshita. Yes, A only Arvind Shah, Kalpana, Tilak and Vivek and Vaishnavi. Very good, excellent job by you all. It is A, early prophase, late prophase, as well as the transition phase. Of course, very correct answer. Excellent. Now, next one is typical NCRT line question. Yeast completes the life cycle within how many minutes? Exactly NCRT line in the introduction page. It will be there. Yes, Sivashri, it is A, very correct. Yes, Shrikant, very good evening. Happy to see your name after a long time. Yes, my student Shrikant. Yes, Jeevan, it is the excellent answer. Kalpana, C only. And Tarunika, Arvind Shah, and Sivashri, yes, it is C. Lakshita and Vaishnavi, yes, it is 90 minutes. Exactly NCRT line only, children. Very good. Excellent, you're all rocking. 100% correct. And you all know, cell cycle, we may get 4 questions to the maximum. Match the column 1 and column 2 and choose the correct combination from the options given. Is the next question? Yes, my dear Sanjay, it is A. Very good. You are rocking. Excellent answer by you. Yes, we are discussing questions on cell cycle and division, as you know, very important chapter. Now it is a match type of question. Try to solve it, children, and answer me. Yes, children, many started answering. As you all know, centriole duplication, S phase, alignment of chromosome, metaphase, chromosome move towards the opposite pole. Of course, anaphase as direct. Chromosome lost the individuality in telophase. Yes, excellent answer by you all. Yes, Sanjay, Arvind Shah, Tarunika, Priya, Sivshi and Vaishnavi, Kalpana, Lakshita and Vivek. 100% you are all correct. It is A only. Very correct answer. Excellent, children. Okay, so let us see the next question, which comes like assertion and reason. So let us solve the assertion and reason type of question, children. Assertion: in plant cells during S phase, DNA replication begins in the nucleus and the centriole duplicates in the cytoplasm. Reason: if the initial amount of DNA is denoted as 2n at G1, even after S phase, the amount of DNA remains the same 2n. So what is your answer? Lakshita and Vivek already answered A. Yes. Yes, Tarunika. Tilak. Yes, Jeevan and Sivshi. Excellent answer. Shivashi, are you a student or a repeater, children? You're very correct. Excellently, you're also rocking, answering very good. Yes, Sanjay, it is D. And Vivek, it is D. Yes, Jeevan, very correct. Excellent answer. Yes, assertion and reason both are wrong statements. Both are wrong statement. It is D. It is D. Excellent answer. Um, as you know, DNA duplicates, it becomes 4C is the value. So, and also duplication happens during S phase. It is not in the nucleus. We do not have a compact nucleus and all. Sivashi is a repeater. Very good evening. I welcome you for the class. Please join for all Sundays 6 to 7. And we are discussing all important questions. Sivashi, may I know which part you're from? Are you from? Are you from Chennai or Bangalore or somewhere? Shall I know that? Yes, Tarunika. Starting of metaphase. Starting of metaphase is a NCRT line. First line, my dear children. First line. Complete disintegration of nuclear membrane indicates the beginning of metaphase is an NCRT line. Tamil Nadu. Okay, Sivashri. I welcome you for the class. Please join all Sundays 6 to 7 for the live question answers. So it will be useful. All most probable question only we are discussing. Yes, it is A. Of course, metaphase chromosome will align at equatorial plate, but it is the beginning marked by NCRT line. Complete disintegration of nuclear membrane is the very correct answer, children. Yes, many of you answered very correctly. Excellent answer. Now, next question, let us proceed. Centromere is required for what? Is it for crossing over, transcription, cytoplasmic cleavage, or movement of chromosome towards pole? Yes, Tarunika answered, Jeevan answered, Lakshita answered, Vivek answered, and Shivashi answered. Arvinsha answered. Yes, excellent answer by you all. It is movement of chromosome towards the poles. Yes, centromere, mainly helpful for the movement towards the pole, is the very correct answer. As you know, in anaphase, it happens. Yes, Vaishnavi, Sivashi, Arvinsha, Kalpana and Sanjay, excellent. You're rocking. Very correct. Now, which of the phase of mitosis is the longest phase? Is the question. So, longest phase is what? Which is the longest phase? Next Sunday, what chapter? What chapter you need? Which chapter you need? You tell me. Let us prepare. Yes, it is A. Longest phase is prophase, as you all know. Shortest phase is anaphase. Okay. So it is prophase. Very correct answer, children. Many of you answered very correctly. Which chapter you want me to prepare? Tell me. Let us discuss. Yes, Shivashi and Arvind, so anyone can decide your chapter. So let us do that chapter for the next week, as you like. Shape of chiasmata, which you can see in diplotin stage. Chiasmata shape is what? Is it C or Y or X or U? Sanjay answered biomolecule. So let us do voting also. Yes, it is X shape. Very correct answer. Sivashi and Aravinsha, Kalpana, Jeevan, um, Lakshita, Priya and Vaishnavi. Excellent answer by you all. Yes, it is X shape. Yes, Vivekanandan and Vaishnavi. Yes, it is X shape. Very correct answer. Excellent, children. Okay. So, recombination involves what? What is the next question? So, recombination is it crossing over, chromosome duplication, spindle formation, or cytokinesis? Cell the unit, Evans. Biomolecules, Sanjay wants. Okay, 25 from the cell the unit, 25 from biomolecules will do, no issue. So we'll do both the chapters. Jeevan wants human physiology. Slowly we'll do. Till exams we have time, so we can do one chapter by other. Yes, A is very correct answer. Recombination, as you all know, crossing over. Recombinase is the enzyme which helps for that process. Okay, which happens during packaging stage of prophase 1 is very correct answer. Excellent, children, 100% correct. Kalpana, Lakshita, Sivashi, Vivek, Priya, Aravind and Vaishnavi, Sivashi. Okay, Sivashi and Jeevan wants human physiology. Okay, next week we'll do human physiology, any one chapter. No issue, you can join, and afterwards we can do biomolecule and cell. I don't think Sanjay and Arvind Shah will take it seriously. So, shall we do human physiology for the next week? Any one chapter will do. In meiosis, centromere divides during. In meiosis, centromere divides during. Meiosis involves, yes, excellent answer, two nuclear division and one chromosomal division is the very correct answer. Sanjay, Tarunika, Lakshita, Kalpana, Jeevan and Vivek. Excellent answer. Yes, it was. Anything okay? Yes, Sanjay. Very good. Sporty person. Yes, we'll do human physiology. Any chapter specifically you want, Sivashi and Jeevan? So in meiosis, centromere divides during dash phase. So we have locomotion. Tarunika answered D. Excretion is there. Chemical coordination. Neural coordination. Any chapter specifically you want? Okay, no problem in our Nepal. There is much time. Okay, NEET is near here. Okay, we'll do sell the unit by next week, a week after next week, Arvind Shah. But join us, okay, for human physiology. Also, weightage unit. 15 question you'll be getting from there. Yes, it is D. Anaphase 2. Very correct. Sivashi, Vaishnavi, Jeevan, Vivek, and yes, any one chapter. Let us do. You prepare and come so that you will be rocking like this next week also. It motivates me a lot. Okay, so next question is assertion and reason sort of question. Okay, then fine, let us do. Assertion. The duration of cell cycle can vary from organism to organism and also from cell type to cell type. Human cells in culture divide once in approximately 24 hours. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for that motivational words, Arvind Shah. So please join us and you will also get benefit. Please inform your friends also. Okay. Yeah. So assertion and reason, what would be your answer? Yes, Tarunika answered. Lakshita answered. Kalpana answered. Yes, Sivashi also answered. Very correct. And Priya, Jeevan, Sanjay, Vivekanandan and Vaishnavi. Excellent answer, children. It is both are correct. As you know, skin cells divide every 24 hours, but liver cells takes may different time. Bone cells may take different time. Yes, statement is correct. And of course, human cell in culture divide every 24 hours is the correct answer. So both are correct. There is no link. So B is the correct answer. Let us proceed to the next assertion and reason. The M phase represents the phase when the actual cell division occurs. Reason. Interphase represents the phase between the two successive M phases. Again, Tarunika answered B. Lakshita also answered B. Yes, Jeevan. Vaishnavi, Priya Madhavi, Vivekanandan, Kalpana. Yes, both the statements are correct here again. Yes, Sanjay, excellent answer. But it is not having the link. It is not the correct explanation. Okay, so that was very correct answer. Now this is little logical question. You have to think and answer. If there were 4 chromosomes present during prophase, how many chromosomes are there in each of the cell at the end of anaphase 2? So think and answer me, children. What is the answer? Yes, Shivashi. It was correct answer B for the previous one. Now for this question, you can answer me. Those who are listening and watching the channel, please, you can even answer. Um, Even if it is wrong, no issue. Lakshita answered C. Tarunika answered B. Yes, Vivek answered C. Priya Madhavi answered C. Jeevan answered C. Yes, it is C only. Correct answer 2. Very correct. As you all know, when the cell undergoes meiosis, yeah, it is having 4 chromosomes, right? So when it is undergoing meiosis 1, it becomes 2 and 2 because of reduction division. So 2, 2. Next division of the cell will be equatorial. So again we will be getting 2 and 2 only. So answer is 2, very correct. I hope you all understood. Yes, Sivashi, Vaishnavi and Kalpana. It was very correct explanation. And answer 2. Yeah. Now this is also little, you have to think and answer this question. At the end of meiosis, the 4 daughter cells of 4 chromosome. How many chromosomes were in mother cell? How many chromosomes were in mother cell? Yes, Tarunika and Lakshita answered. Jeevan answered. Sivashi and Vivek. Yes, excellent children. Very correct answer actually. Yes, at the end of meiosis, we are having haploid, which is 4 daughter cell having 4 chromosome, which is haploid. That means mother cell will be diploid only. So diploid is 2n, which is 8. Very correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. Next question. Again, you have to think and answer only for this question. Very correct. How many times meiosis will take place for the formation of 80 wheat grains? How many times meiosis will take place for the formation of 80 wheat grain is the question. So to form 80 wheat grain, we may need 80 male gametes and 80 female gametes. That is the logic behind the question. So with that logic, I hope many of you have answered. Let us see. So to form 80 male gamete, we need 20 meiosis. 20 into 4, it will become 80. And to form 80 female gametes, we need 80 meiosis because each meiosis only one female gamete we may get. Excellent answer. Many of you have answered very correctly. It is 100. As you all know, how it is formed 80 plus 20, it becomes 100. Very correct, children. Excellent answer by you all. Now, next question. Yes, Sivashi, Jeevan, Priya Madhavi, Vaishnavi, Tarunika, Lakshita, and Vivek. Yes, excellent answer by you all. You are all rocking. Terminalization occurs in which stage? It happens in prophase 1. So, which stage of the prophase 1 terminalization happens? So terminalization happens after the dissolving of the chiasmata, which happens in diakinesis. Yes, many of you have answered very correctly. It is option D. Yes, Jeevan, Kalpana, Vaishnavi, Sanjay and Sivishi as Arvind Shah and Vishnu Shri answered for the previous question. Very good evening, Vishnu Shri. I welcome you for the class. Please join us for every Sunday 6 to 7. We will be discussing most probable question to support NEET writing children. You can even join and inform your friends. Yes, very good sportive. You attended the answer. But I clarified what is the answer. I hope you understood. If not, tell me. I'll tell you. No issue. Okay. Yes, Lakshita and Vivekanandan answered. It is diakinesis. Excellent answer, both of you. Yes, during diakinesis, only dissolving of the chiasmata happens. Now, next question we are going to again little logical question we are going to attend. Yes, what is that question says? If a cell has a chromosome number after first meiosis equal to 24, the chromosome number of the daughter cell after the completion of meiosis will be dash. Yes, come on, Vishnu, Shri, and Lakshita. Yes, Tarunika answered. After meiosis 1, they have given. And Sivashi answered. Lakshita answered. After meiosis 1, first meiosis is equal to 24 means the chromosome number in daughter cells will be. Yes, Vaishnavi answered. Yes, Vishnu, Kalpana answered. Jeevan answered. The correct answer is 24. Yes, my dear children, they are giving the chromosome number after meiosis 1. First meiosis. That means the 48 might be the mother cell. First meiosis 24, reduction division. Then after the meiosis 2, it is not again going to reduce. It will be the same number, equatorial division. Same 24 will be maintained. Yes, sir? Am I clear to you all? Yes, I hope you all understood. Crossing over is advantageous because it brings about dash. Is the next question. So it brings about variation or linkage or inbreeding or stability is the question. Yes, Vishnu Shri, you can join us. And what is your place or your repeater or 11th standard? I hope you are listening us. And Sivashi answered, yes, it is variation. Very good, excellent answer, Sivashi and Vaishnavi. Yes, variation. Crossing over only brings changes, and variation is the raw material of evolution. Very good. Today it was so interesting to conduct the quiz. You all answered nicely. Yes, Priya Madhavi, very correct answer. And we hope to see many new students like Sivashi, Vishnu Shri, and also Arvind Shah. Yes, please join us and support us. It was so motivating for us also. Um, yeah, motivation, Tarunika. Today I'm going to say about fear as we have the students from some other country also. Let me say it in English itself. See, in one Guruji ashram, there was a rat. The rat come to Guruji and asked, Guruji, I am very much afraid of the cat, so please change me as a cat. Okay, Guruji said Satastu, you became a cat. So immediately the rat converted into cat because of Guruji's slogan. Okay. After that, sometime later, this cat come to Guruji and said, Guruji, I am afraid of the dog. So please change me into dog. So, okay, Guruji said Satastu and the dog, the cat has changed into dog. Again, after some time, the dog come to Guruji and asked, Guruji, I am afraid of this wolf and all from the mountain forest and all. So please change me as a wolf. So Guruji now decided there won't be any end. Then wolf will be afraid of something else. So it is our mind, children. You all know we have amygdala, a limbic system, which is even called lizard brain. The shape will be somewhat like that, and it secretes, it promotes the secretion of epinephrine and corticosteroid, emotions of fear. So it will aggravate, okay, the feelings. So there won't be any end for the fear until and otherwise you be strong on your part. So you think that you have studied, you all answered today very well, you are all rocking. So be confident on your mind. So this is a small motivation from my side, as I could able to see fear on your faces when I meet some of you. So this I wanted to share it with you. So be confident. Never allow to your amygdala to overcome you. So subside your amygdala with the response to fear emotions. Okay, children. I hope you all enjoyed the class. Thank you all. If you really like the motivation, as always, I request you to please put your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you all and give me a like also. Thank you. Thank you, Tarunika. Thank you, Kalpana. Thank you, Lakshita. Please put your comments in the comment box also. And thank you everyone who participated. Thank you so much for your patience and participation. I also enjoyed and motivated with your participation. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Kalpana. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you, Sivashri. Please come join every week. It will be useful to you. You will raise your score also. We will be discussing all important standard questions. Thank you. Thank you so much for participation.